Is it possible to shoot on motion picture film in India? Yes, you can. You can procure a film stock, rent or buy a camera, shoot, process, scan and edit in your favorite software to make your film. And there are lots of films which are shot on film stock in India. The first step is procurement of film. Kodak manufactures film stock of various types, size and length, and these can be ordered online from their website. And it comes in these boxes. You can rent or buy a film camera at almost all the cities in India. Recently, Kodak has introduced a film camera for 8mm which can run on USB power. There are places in Mumbai and Chennai where you can calibrate and repair your film cameras to make sure that the focus and everything with the camera is well and good. Now, with the camera and film in place, you can shoot your film. Once shot, the film must be kept back into the container, sealed and taken physically to the processing lab in Mumbai. The exposed film should be sealed completely and never be taken through X-ray scanners. We have actually shipped a strip of exposed film from Thailand to Mumbai and processed. The X-ray scanner did not damage the film during transit. But all X-ray scanners are not safe for all kind of films. Once processed, the film will be combined into larger reels and then stored in these containers. The processed film can be taken through X-rays safely but must be stored under optimal temperature and humidity conditions. The film can be scanned under a high-resolution film scanner to make a digital copy. Many scanners of different technical specifications and quality are available in India and abroad. You can scan the entire film roll or even sections of the film or even just a frame of your film. The scanning facility will give you a high-resolution DPX file for editing and a low-resolution proxy file for viewing. You can bring in your audio and video to your favorite editing software, sync them together and start editing your film. The actual film stock can be sent to a vault where they can be preserved under optimal temperature and humidity for a long time. The recent film, The Fable, which was premiered at the Berlin International Film Festival, Madhyantara, which has recently won the National Award, Ade, which has been traveling to many film festivals around the world, were all shot on film. And these two films were shot by a young DOP from Mumbai. There is ample talent, technology and facilities to shoot on film in India. It's possible that shooting on film has a future in India. Depending on the filming style, the cost of shooting on film can be less or more than shooting on digital cameras. And the choice of shooting between a film and a digital camera has a lot of things to be considered. And we will talk about these factors in another video.